Good morning, students. This is chapter number 10, Reaching the Age of Adolescence. And this is lecture number 2. Today's topic is changes during puberty. Right? Now, there are few important changes takes place during the puberty. First one is increase in height. Second, change in body shape. Third one is voice change. Fourth, increased activity of sweat and sebaceous glands. Development of sex organ. Fifth one is reaching mental, intellectual and emotional maturity. So we will discuss these changes one by one. Right? The first one is increase in height. Right? Increase in height. So, by the age of 11, a boy reaches about 80% of his height and a girl reaches about 88% of her height at the age of 11. It means maximum height gained by the children up to the age of 11, and between 11 to 18 the remaining height gained by the individual. Initially, girls grow faster than the boys. By about 18 years of age, both boys and girls reaches their maximum height. Generally, the height is similar to the parent because it depends on the genes inherited from the parent. Right? So, height of the individual also depends on his or her parents, since the individual have same genes as his parents. Right? Now the second change is change in body shape. You can see these changes since you all are in adolescent age. तो अगर आप किसी से कुछ दिनों के बाद मिले, एक साल बाद मिले, तो आप देखेंगे कि there is a tremendous change. Right? Now the change in body shape. During the puberty, boys have broader shoulders. Means the shoulders grown up and it becomes wider, broader. Right? And wider chest due to faster growth of muscles. In this puberty, the muscles, the development of muscles or growth of the muscles takes place very fast. Right? In girls, the breast begins to develop and the region below the waist becomes wider. Right? So these are the body changes among the individual in the puberty stage. Right? Then the voice change. You can oftenly see that a very good singer in the age of 10 and his or her voice changes, so he should cope up with the situations and work on his voice. During puberty in boys, the voice box, that voice box at our neck becomes larger. Right? This voice box in boys becomes larger and is seen as swelling in the throat, called Adam's apple. ठीक है ना, जो गले में होता है उसमें ऐसा लगता है जैसे swelling. ठीक है ना, कहने का मतलब it becomes larger, वो बड़ा हो जाता है, Adam's apple बड़ा हो जाता है. ठीक, and their voice becomes deep and rose. In girls, the voice box is smaller and their voice has high pitch. High pitch means the sound becomes, आपने देखा होगा कि जो sound होती है वो बारीक होती है ना, गर्ल्स में. बॉयज में क्या होता है, वो एडम्स एप्पल जो है वो बड़ा हो जाता है, तो आवाज जो है वो मोटी हो जाती है, यानी लो पिच की हो जाती है. आवाज मोटी होने का मतलब लो पिच, बारीक होने का मतलब हाई पिच, ठीक है। लेटर देयर वॉइस बिकम्स नॉर्मल, और बाद में क्या हो जाती है, वो वॉइस नॉर्मल हो जाती है। तो एट द टाइम ऑफ दिस एज द वॉइस चेंजेस, राइट। थर्ड वन इज इंक्रीज एक्टिविटी ऑफ स्वेट एंड सेबासियस ग्लैंड्स। ड्यूरिंग प्यूबर्टी द सिक्रेशन ऑफ स्वेट, पसीना बहुत आता है, ठीक है ना, एंड सेबेसियस ग्लैंड्स, ऑयल ग्लैंड्स इंक्रीजेस। जो स्किन होती है वो आपको ऑयली सी नजर आएगी, जो पसीना बहुत ज्यादा आने लगता है, ठीक है ना, इंक्रीजेस। एंड मेनी टीन गेट एंड पिंपल्स ऑन देयर फेस। आपने देखा पिंपल्स आने लगते हैं, वो ये पिंपल्स क्या है, इट मीन्स द ऑयल इज ट्राइंग टू कम आउट फ्रॉम द फेस, राइट। अब वो अगर वो ब्लॉक हो गया उसका रास्ता तो पिंपल्स की फॉर्म में आ जाता है, पिंपल्स बन जाते हैं, ठीक है ना। तो एट दिस स्टेज पिंपल्स आल्सो गेट नोटिसेबल एट द फेस ऑफ टीनेजर्स, राइट। Next one is development of the sex organs. Now, the reproduction maturity gained by the individual in this age, right? During puberty in boys, the testis and penis develops completely and produces sperm. In girls, the ovaries develop completely and produces egg. It means the reproductive system becomes strong in this age, right. Now next and last one is reaching mental, intellectual and emotional maturity, right. During the puberty, boys and girls mental, intellectual and emotional development takes place. It means the individual becomes mentally strong, mature, intellectually matured and emotionally matured. They becomes more independent. Self-conscious, and their way of thinking changes, right. So at this age, the individual becomes independent thoughts, independent emotional maturity, right. Now the secondary sexual characters. Secondary sexual characters are the changes which takes place during the puberty. In boys, hairs begins to grow on the face and they develop braids and mustaches. आपने देखा होगा कि इस एज में हेयरी लाइंस जो है वो डेवलप होने लगती हैं फेस पे, तो हल्के हल्के से आप देखेंगे मुस्टैक्स एंड ब्रेड्स जो हैं वो दिखने लगते हैं। हेयर ऑल्सो ग्रोन इन द चेस्ट, आर्मपिट एंड पब्लिक रीजन. द टेस्ट starts to produce the sperms. In girls, their breast develops and hair grown in the armpit and pubic region. The ovary starts to produce eggs. It means in boys and girls both, the reproductive system becomes stronger. These changes are controlled by the chemical substances called hormones produced by the glands, right. So we have already discussed this hormones. Hormones are chemical substances secreted by the different glands of the body, ठीक है. The male hormones which controls secondary sexual characters is testosterone. It produces its testes. Female hormones which controls secondary sexual characters is produced in the ovary. The production of those hormones is controlled by another gland called pituitary glands, right. So these are the secondary sexual characters which develops in the age of puberty. So these are the changes in the stage of puberty, right. You can see that there are so many changes in the body takes place during the puberty. So from 11 to 19 year, there is a tremendous change in the body of the individual, which reproduces by his or her parent, right? So this is all about this lecture, today's lecture. Thank you very much.